let's get this money, guys. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful short play that we entered in here. Check this out. This is so lovely. This is why we stay patient, right? I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm literally was looking for longs above open print. We got our beautiful green bar right here that was ignored, and as of that, I have to enter. I mean, that's literally that's the name of the game, right? That's what we do. That's what we look for. What else about this trade is beautiful? Look at the trend. Look at the trend. Look at this. It's beautiful. Hold on. Might be coming up here. I'm watching that 9 DEMA because we got to be aware. Trimming, right? We use our moving averages to enter into trades. Hold on. Let me make sure everybody knows I'm live. At everyone. Alright, just so everybody knows. This is beautiful. We got news coming up. I've already trimmed this position. Beautiful trade. Absolute beautiful trade. Very simple. Very easy. And just reminding myself, no one needs to be a superhero today, right? Nobody needs to do anything inordinary. It's Friday. We got to get used to making this money, okay? Lock it in. Lock some of it in. That's a beautiful trade right there. Just for anybody just popping up. Look at this. So we were watching this level, 56494. We got a really nice push from buyers here at the 935 candle. And then sellers came in strong, right? We didn't chase. We waited for the green bar. Entered this short right around 56491. Beautiful trade, SPX. It's one of my. I was trading 2 contracts today. I sold one. Now I'm letting the other go. We're coming up on news. I'm got my stop right around 56580. And you know what? Whatever happens, happens. It is what it is. This was a beautiful trade. Look at the move off open print. It's disgusting. It's disgusting. It's just so beautiful to see the strategy be extremely repeatable like this. So it's already met all of our criteria. This is a win. It moved $1 in the intended direction. So look at, like, it's literally, it's a beautiful sight. I love it, guys. It's been such a good week. I am so happy, right? Like, to see the team crushing it. Ooh, getting nice selling pressure here. So you guys see my targets? 56250, first target. Obviously, trim accordingly. And keep your expectations in check, right? This green candle that was ignored, there's a high probability that we'll get a pullback into it, right? And if that happens, that's okay, right? We're not worried. It's fine, right? We're literally trading our edge. Beautiful. There's not a better way. And you know what's crazy? The old Josh would have stayed away from this because news is coming up, right? The old Josh would have been like, oh, I'm going to hold off. Consumer sentiment's coming up. But I've collected the data. I trust the data, not my emotion. If I see my edge, I'm going to pull the trigger. That was beautiful. Off open print. This is blueprint. Hard stop in. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Give me that selling. Give me that selling. Let's see what we get. Seeing a pretty large... Oh, wow, that was beautiful. A lot of volume just came into my SPX premiums. Literally just jumped like $3. All right, let's see if this can hold here. The rest is in market's hands. We've done our job. You know what I mean? We've done our job, and now it's literally up to sellers to defend this GBI. Or more importantly, the 9, okay? The 9 DEMA is our guideline each and every single day. As long as this is getting defended, that tells me it's a healthy trend and I'm willing to stay in it. It's beautiful. That was a beautiful setup this morning. Let's see if we can get some continuation here. Let's see where our 1 hour's at. I'm interested. let me know, guys. Does anybody use the 1 hour indicator that I've posted, right? Because I want to show you guys something. This is how effective it is. Look where the 1 hour is, right? This blue line. Very nice, straight, horizontal blue line. What does this tell us? Well, it tells me where the 1 hour 9 DEMA is, right? So if we're extended from that 9, you can pretty much guarantee a pullback, right? But if we're on it, this is a very important level. This is very important. And I'm already accepting the fact that I still have one SPX con open. This could go against me, and this could end up being a break-even trade, and that's okay, right? That's okay. Actually, it probably won't be break-even. My first con, it was about, I think it was like 35. I wasn't really looking. Bought the contract for, I think 1,050 and sold it for 13.90. So basically, really good, easy, almost $400 position. Now I got one more rolling. I'm currently up, let me see here, 19% on this. So obviously the volume affected the premium a bit, but that's okay. I'm not worried about it. Still a really good trade. See if we can get that push into 562.50. And if you are not in this short play, that's fine. Don't chase it, right? Just wait for the criteria again. We're in a pretty good downtrend. Look at this SPX chart. So if I show you this SPX chart on a larger time frame, this is something I like to do when I'm holding the trade. I like to kind of look at other things, keep my mind off going to that full retard zone where you're like, oh my god, it's pulling back, right? Like, it's okay, it's normal. This is how a healthy trend looks, okay? It's okay, it's a pullback. It doesn't mean conditions have changed or shifted, right? A lot of people ask me about holding on to positions. The only way to get better at holding on to positions is to accept the fact that that money you're up to right now is probably going to go. You might lose it. But if you can shift into the person that's okay with that, that's your next level up. Think. I'm always asking myself, what's the 90% doing? I want to do the opposite, right? If we want different results than the 90%, we have to do opposite of the 90%. What's the 90% doing? The 90% is getting in and out very fast. They're afraid to lose, and they're scared of a green day. Over here at HPT, there's no reason to be scared of a green day because our edge has an 88% chance of presenting itself tomorrow. Therefore, and it has an 82% chance of being profitable. So I don't necessarily need a green day to feel confident as a consistent trader, okay? All I need is a strategy I believe in. And so it's okay if this trade goes against me. It's fine. You know, that's what helps. Also, trading on demand. You sacrifice an hour of your life on demand. This button right here, I'm telling you right now, in a year, you'll be, not even, in 3 months. I've been doing it since January 1st. I've been trading on demand. Actually, I think I've been doing it a little before that. Every day I sacrifice 2 hours to trade, execute the edge, and it has served me tremendously, especially in the areas such as holding trades, execution, taking profit, etc. So I like this trend. Like, this is how I learned all this stuff, like when it comes to healthy trends and stuff like that. Like, you know, getting very detailed with the moving averages and actually using that information to serve me as a trader, right? Like, that's where that comes from. It comes from literally repetition, over, another one, trade another one, trade another one, trade another one. So, highly recommend trading on demand. It's free. It's literally free. It's free. It is 100% free. It could be a bit, you know, some people experience choppiness, but listen, you know, it's just part of the price. And getting better internet speeds helped me in that area as well. So definitely recommend on demand. I like how this is moving nice and, you know, nice and steady here. Looks like the news came out at 10 and we got a nice spike in vol, but sellers are not letting go of this, right? So once again, what are things we can watch to help us remain confident in our position? Look at that trend. This is solid trend, right? And let me show you. Look at this day. every day, or I'm sorry, look at this chart on the left, okay? Look at this trend right here. It's holding price. It's hugging. But right here, we get a little extended. What happens? Pull back. Right here, what happens? Little extended. Pull back. Okay? How about right here? Hugging. Therefore, if current price is hugging the 9, I'm holding. Let's get a push. This is beautiful. What a picture perfect Friday. Very nice. All right, I'm getting ready to book this second con here. Well, let me see. Yeah, emotionally, I want to take profit, but logically, let's see if that's a good idea. Are we far away from the 9? Not really. All right, 56250. See, let's get that push. Very nice. Now I'll whip out the daily and really go, all right, what's the next pit number below? Right there. You guys see why previous day low was so important today? Look on the daily time frame. Gap. Filled. This level. Shattered. Right? So if I smelt selling at this yellow line, I had to pull the trigger. Very nice. Very nice. We might get a lot. We might get a heavy push. Oh, we'll see. Getting a little extended there from the 9. Price is just like kind of gradually moving. I'm impressed, honestly. It's Friday. There's news. This is healthy price action. This is what we live for, guys. All right. Now what's this on the 2-minute? Push. Push. Look at that. Very nice. Shattered first target. Next target, 56148. Or I'm sorry, 56148. Can we see it? Can we see it? Up 68% on these SPX cons. Very nice. It's been a while since we got 100. Let's see if we can get 100. I'm trying a tight stop, guys. If this candle blows above 563, I'm out. It's just not worth it. You don't need to be, Superman over here. Don't go full retard. Lock your money in. Very nice. God is good. See how much easier it is just trading the same strat over and over? Okay, we're very extended, guys. How much more time on this candle? We got 45 seconds left on this candle. So I'm looking to get out of this position right around the time this candle closes. Because once it closes, we're going to get a big pocket in between price and the 9. So, and I don't want to hold through that pullback, especially trading SPX. So I got 20 seconds here to exit this position. 2 minutes still looks pretty good. There we go. Watch the drop. Next 3 seconds. Ready? 2. Oh, no. 9 caught right up there. Come on. Watching that 2 minute. I got a hard stop in at 56266. See if we can get a push. See that pocket? I'm not trying to play with the pocket. What's up, babe? I'm almost done. Okay? Almost done. Guys, I'm going to... Hold on. 56266. I'm out. It hasn't hit it. Hasn't hit it. I don't like that pocket, but that's okay. Let's see if we can hold. Let's get that sink. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We trade healthy trends. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is so beautiful. 562. Come on, let's get the heavy sink. All right. There it is. Come on, break 562. There it goes. Snap. Come on. Snap. Give me the snap. Where's the snap? Chenza. Say snap. Snap. There it is. There's the snap. She snapped her fingers, guys. Come on, let's get paid. What am I up? I'm up. All right. 562.30 is my stop. Come on. It's my 2 minute. 2 minutes looking strong. Healthy trend on the 2 minute here. What a trade. Wow. Tight stop above previous 2 minute candle. There it is. There it is. Snap. Snap. All right, we're below. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Come on. Target hit. And I'm still in it. Let's go. Finger on the sell. Get a little snapshot here. Oh, man, she's going to sink. Say snap. Snap. Come on, the viewers. Once this snaps, babe. Look, it's snapping. Yeah, come here. Come watch. There it goes. Chenny's watching. All right, ready? This is the line. Sellers are pushing price down. Snap. There it goes. There it goes. Ready?
How do we know it snaps? How?
Well, we watch the trend. You see how it's moving down?
Yeah.
So we get in a position right here, and then we take the market down to the line.
It's already past it.
Yeah, which means we did good. We made money. But now we don't know if we gotta get in or out, right? It might go further. So we gotta let it tell us.
How do we know that?
Well, we watch these lines, these moving averages, right? This is called a moving average. So as price sells down, the line moves down. So what we're looking for is it to snap this level. It snapped this level already, snap this one. So now we're looking at it to snap this one. And if it snaps it, we're gonna get a solid move here. Guys,
We can play Minecraft.
and then Minecraft right after. If price continues to hold here, watching that 2 minute, I got a tight stop, guys, at 5. Oh, there it goes. Sink. Sink. Oh, wow. Premiums are ripping. 80.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Funny.
All right, guys, I'm locking this in. I'm out. Done. Done. High five. Okay. All right, guys, I love you. I'm really pumped. Anyone still holding this position, you're a savage. It's probably going to go further. I locked in about a really good trade. I'm going to post it later. We'll do a review. That was beautiful. That was a beautiful trade. Quick little recap here before we hop off for Vincenzo over here. All right, so price opens up at PDL, rips above, buyers reject, right? We stay patient. We get that nice green bar ignored off previous day low. We get in short right here. News is coming up. We don't care. It does not matter, right? We're watching. And then as we get in the market short, we put our stop loss above the green candle, and then we short the market down for a beautiful 100% position. And she's probably going to keep going, guys. So I love you. You guys have a great day. I got to hop off. If you need anything from me, just message me.